Have you ever felt lost, staring at numbers, questioning your real impact on your audience? Visibility can shine a light on your brand, but loyalty is where the true power lies. Let's explore the profound difference between merely having an audience and nurturing a thriving community. An audience is passive. They might watch your content but lack deeper connection and interaction. Imagine a theater. You're the performer with applause echoing, yet there's little real-time engagement from the crowd. In contrast, a community is an energetic, interactive space filled with shared experiences and mutual support. Here, members advocate for each other and your brand, co-creating something bigger than individual contributions. Communities thrive on trust and shared purpose, drawing people together more effectively than traditional marketing can. With today's hyperconnectivity, people crave authentic relationships rather than superficial engagements from distant brands. By focusing on belonging, brands can foster lasting relationships, creating a family of advocates who truly care.